We're going to look at how to share a site created in Office 365 for view only, meaning when you share this site, people will be able to click on pages and access various parts of it, but they will not be able to edit your site, which is very important when you share. And you want to make sure that we follow these instructions very carefully because you can do a lot of things you don't want to if you do not follow these instructions very carefully. So we're going to go to one of our sites. And in this case, this is just Paddock Demo, site I created just to practice doing things. And when we want to share, we are going to click the share button like normal. And there's two things that we're going to do. The first is if we want anyone in Spartanburg 2 to be able to see it. So if you're, for example, a teacher and you want all your students to see it, you're probably going to want to use this option, which is to type in everyone. And here you can just choose everyone. And that is actually a group that includes every single person in Spartanburg 2. So keep that in mind that every person in Spartanburg 2 can come across this. Now here is the other absolutely critical part. You need to show options. First, you need to uncheck send an email invitation. Otherwise, you would send an email to every single person in the district. That is bad. Do not do that. So uncheck send an email invitation. The next crucial part is you're going to choose a permission level. And you are going to change this to read. I'll explain these, what they mean. If you give someone edit access, they can edit the content on your pages, which especially if you're a teacher, you don't want to be giving students edit access on your teacher website. Full control means that not only can they edit pages, but they can also control rights and permissions on the site and delete the site. So you don't want to give anyone full control unless you are absolutely certain they need that type of permissions. And then finally, read permissions is they can just view the site and they can click on links and do things like that, but they can't make any changes on the website. So in most cases, you're going to give people read access. Now you might want to give them edit access if this is a group of people that are working together on a project and everyone needs access to the website for the project. Maybe you would give them edit access then. But in most cases, you're going to give read access. So here, do not send an email invitation. Change this to read. So we've got share with everyone, no email, and read. We can click share. And we can see over here that it's shared with everyone. So now at this point, any person that's logged into a Spartanburg 2 site can view this page and see it. Now, I'll show you an example of what happens when someone outside of Spartanburg 2 looks at it. And this could also include someone who's just not logged in. They would come to a login screen. So they would have to log in with a Spartanburg 2 Office 365 account in order to see your website. And that's it. So make sure you share. Put everyone if you need everyone to see it. You can put individuals if you want. Very important, show options. Uncheck send email. Choose view. And then share. And that is sharing with lots of people inside Spartanburg 2.